Introduction. The host app. Hey farmers and agriculture enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're reviewing the 2025 John Deere Tractor, a powerful and reliable machine designed for heavy-duty farming tasks. Let's take a closer look. Tractor details. Tractor's features. The 2025 John Deere Tractor is equipped with a robust engine, advanced transmission system, and innovative features for efficient farming operations. Exterior. Tractor's exterior from different angles. The exterior design is rugged and durable, with a sturdy frame and distinctive John Deere styling. The tractor's exterior is built to withstand harsh farming conditions. Performance. The 2025 John Deere Tractor delivers impressive performance, with powerful hauling capabilities and smooth operation. It's designed to handle heavy-duty tasks with ease. Conclusion. Tractor parked, with the host summarizing the review. Overall, the 2025 John Deere Tractor is a reliable and efficient machine that's perfect for farmers and agricultural professionals. Its performance, durability, and innovative features make it a great choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews and content.